Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, can an interface become a child of another interface in Java? Let me answer. Yes, in Java, we can make an interface a child of another interface. Okay, so how can we make an interface a child of another interface in Java? Let me practically demonstrate. For that, I'll switch to Eclipse IDE and create a new interface here. I'll just select the interface option. I'll just name this interface as interface A, some random name. Click on finish. And once the interface is created, just for the sample case, I'll create a variable and method. So int A is equal to 9. Now I'll create one method here, public void sample one method. Okay, this is a method which is created inside the interface. Okay, so we have a variable, we have a method inside the interface. Now let me create one more interface. I'll just make this interface name as interface B, some random name. Click on finish. Once another interface is created, now can I make this particular interface a child of this interface? Can I make this interface be a child of this interface A? Yes, guys, it is possible. Okay, yes, it is possible to make this interface be a child of interface A. For that, which keyword I have to use? Do I have to use extends keyword or implements keyword? We have to use extends keyword for a particular interface to become a child of another interface. Okay, beside the child interface name, we have to use extends keyword followed by interface A. Okay, interface B extends interface A. So this is how, guys, we can make an interface in Java a child of another interface with the help of extends keyword. Okay, and this interface can have its own variables and methods. For example, int b is equal to, let's say, 10, and here public void sample2. Like that, I can create. Now I can create one more class. Let's say I'll like to create one class here. Let's say I'll just name that as class. Okay, class X. Click on finish. Now I'll just drag this side. So here we have interface A, and here we have interface B, which is this interface B is a child of interface A. Now I would like to make this class X a child of this interface B using extends keyword. Can I do that? Do I have to use extends keyword here to make a child of interface? No, guys. I have to use implements keyword. Okay, if a particular class has to become a child of an interface, it has to use implements keyword. But if an interface want to become a child of another interface, or a class want to become a child of another class, we use extends keyword. But coming to the class, a class want to become a child of another interface, we have to use implements keyword, guys. Here I'll use interface B. Okay, like this. So just understand, guys. Okay, in Java there are three things. If a class want to become a child of another class, then we have to use which keyword? Extends keyword. If an interface want to become a child of another interface, then also we have to use extends keyword. But if a class want to become a child of an interface, then only we use implements keyword. This is the only case where we use implements keyword. Okay, so now why we are getting error? Because you see class X is now the child of interface B, and interface B is a child of the interface A. Okay, so now if I don't implement this, unimplemented abstract methods of this interface and its parent interface for this class, okay, this is a parent. For this parent, this is a parent. So all these variables and methods of this both interface A and interface B will be inherited by the class X. Okay, so I can access them using system.out.println. I can access. But I have to create a method here first of all. Public void. Okay, sample. I'll say sample. Some method I'll create. And here, if I want to print the variable a system.out.println, I can access a directly because class X is the child of the interface B and interface B is the child of interface A. So it's a grandparent of the class X. So the variable A can be accessed here. And similarly, you can access variable B here, which is from its immediate parent. So B also can be accessed. Now, the next thing is these methods which are just declared and not implemented in this parent interface and its parent interface of this class need to be implemented in this class. Otherwise, this error will keep coming. You see, abstract methods need to be implemented here. So one is sample one method, another one is sample two method. Let me implement public void sample one, public void sample two. Like this, I can implement. Okay. You see, I implemented, the error is gone. Okay. So the simple question here is, can an interface become a child of another interface in Java? The answer is yes, guys. An interface can become a child of another interface, but by using which keyword? Extends keyword. So with practical demonstration, I've answered this question for you. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.